I'm walking, but all these thoughts are running. Yell and catch me if you can. And I'm wondering if I should chase behind or stop wondering and try to take a stand.
You're like a song that I sing in the morning on a perfect holiday. You're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip that is coming to a place with ocean view. You're like an old familiar friend when all is new.
Sound of the raindrops drumming on a Thursday summer day. You're like the scent of coffee brewing in the morning. You're like the crackling. 한다고.
그래서 나오잖아. 누구가 내가 어릴 때부터 3월 10일 날 주자는 생일인데 그래가지고 내가 정석에서 가려고 했는데 한 번도 못 가요. 거기 왔어. 아이씨. 엄마 아빠는
Tuesday, I first met you far and wide. How could I forget your bright eye when you told me your name? And tell me your favorite number. Was this spell I'm under staring at the most beautiful girl? I wouldn't wanna figure this out with anyone else but you. And I know you're lonely, but this song will have to do. I searched for my whole life for love so true. Despite the distance, I'm right here with you.
One day I was so sad that it made me ill. This boy said that he's sorry, but he doesn't feel like he should have, or at least that's how I thought he should. And since that day I'm still wishing he would. One day I was so mad that it made me cry. The boy I loved turned into someone else's guy. So I turned my back and walked until I couldn't see how it feels when he's not with me. So I cried my head off. Dried my tears under the sun. I put my hands up in the air and I'm having fun. One day I was so mad that it made me ill. This boy said that he's sorry, but he doesn't feel like he should have, or at least that's how I thought he should. And since that day I'm still wishing he would. So I cried my head off. I've dried my tears under the sun. I put my hands up in the air and I'm having fun. So I cried my head off. I've dried my tears under the sun. I put my hands up in the air and I'm having fun. I'm having fun.
You're like a song that I sing in the morning on a perfect holiday. You're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip that is coming to a place with ocean view. You're like an old familiar friend when all is new.
Raindrops drumming on a first this summer day. You're like the scent of coffee brewing in the morning. You're like the crackling of a fireplace on a chilly winter night. You're like a cabin made for two while inside is snowing. Oh, oh.
이대로 맘 먹고 있는 내용물이 너무 내용물이 많아. 정말 이거 유명한 사람 올려봐.
It is time, it's the perfect summer night. And those three words are spelled out in your eyes. But before I go on, say something wrong. I just hope and bite my tongue. Cause you've been told too many times before. Yeah, you've been told. Staring out the window on a cloudy morning, trying to lick our wounds while the tea is warming. Sometimes it's like a bird that's never shipped out. Sometimes you go around on a never-ending rail. This week has been a mess, but I'm gonna tell you, we're a bit at work, gonna make it brand new. We're gonna plot a way for a comeback. We only need some time, and I promise you that. Promise you that. I promise you that. I know this can take a while, but it's gonna be alright, girl. And if it won't fit today,
shoulder you can cry on. So cry if you wanna cry. Small rainbows will fill your eyes. You cry if you wanna cry. Now time will be on your side. Maybe with the drops lost in the ocean, drifters following the streams in motion, riders of the night with no destination.